So before affixing the plate to the back of the, or onto the baseboard, you want to make sure that the nut is securely fastened to the bolt that runs through. It is. I checked before I took it all apart that there's this tiny little dent here, and this hole is the one that's actually at the top, so that the prong has got this running level with the floor. So once that's on, just tighten this back up. Once you got the bar mounted on the wall, you want to take the cup, put it on the end. You have that ability, because it's, at least in my case, because it's all the way around in this way, you've got some flexibility for mounting it onto the door, but you get it about the right angle, and then you go to close the door, and you get the positioning just right, and then you just mark it with a pencil to make sure you get the door cup mounted in exactly the right spot. So I got the pencil line drawn on the door to show the placement of the cup part itself. So just take a pair of needle nose pliers, and we'll put the two ends in here, and then give the cup a twist. See if I can do this. And then what we'll do is put the holes in and put the screws on, and just get that positioned up. Okay, so we've got both screws in. Now we come back with the cup, make sure the spring is all put in the right spot. Just want to finger tighten that back on. The moment of truth is to open the door and see how the two line up.